Let's take a look at this WEN sliding saw. Cost like 120, maybe 140 bucks, can't remember, off of Amazon. But it's fairly great. I'm going to show you how it cuts through this 2x6. And so it's definitely worth it. Perfect cut. Alright, take a look at this great example. Here's a 4x4 pressure treated. I'm going to cut it with this WEN sliding miter saw. And one trick I want to show you guys is I mark both sides of the 4x4 just in case it doesn't fully cut through. I could just turn it and cut it the other way.